guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of November. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which usually makes for a really good deal. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing from your box at all. Stitch Fix does a fix preview, and so when you get your email, you'll have 10 items that you can look at and decide if you want them to be included in your box or not. And for this box, I did choose 1 item from my fix preview, and then my stylist went back in and chose 4 other items to put into this box. Since it's November, I'm really looking for sweaters and things like that to help me transition into the colder months. So let's get into it to see what I got for this month. All right, first thing I see is my prepaid mailer envelope, and this envelope is used to send back anything that you're not going to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges on your items, then you'll put those items back in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. You're going to have a white envelope, and inside this envelope is your price invoice sheet. This is fix number 51 for me. Also inside that envelope is your Oh Hello card, and so this is a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that were sent to you in your box. All right, I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, "It's November, Jennifer. How were your month and Halloween? It sounds like you've been super busy, I'm sure, with teaching and your family, and it's going to get busier as we head into the holiday season. Can you believe that they are here? Well, I don't know about you, but I love this month since it reminds us to try to slow down and be thankful for all the positive things in our lives. And you are one that I'm truly grateful for. Even though this preview was a bit of a mess, I was hoping you'd like the soft-hued sweater. It will be a nice addition to prepare you for the cooler weather around the corner. I've added in a 34-inch inseam bootcut pant in a warm brown color. What do you think? For a dressier feel, try the floral blouse and bold gold cardigan. No luck with black booties, but check out Freestyle, and I'll keep the search going. Ta-ta, Kara." All right, guys, here's a look at my bundle. I've got some sweaters in there, and I know that's a cardigan, so we're going to take a look. All right, the first item is by Market and Spruce, the Caroline Ombre Raglan Rib Sweater, and it says it's in coral. And so here's this sweater. It does have like a, I guess that's kind of like a tannish yellowish color, and it looks like to me like a little bit of pink and maybe a little bit of coral. It does have the button detail at the top of the shoulders. It's soft but not super soft. I really like the colors in it. Does have slips on the side, which I really do like that as well in my sweaters. And there's the back. So that's a really pretty sweater. And so she chose to put this one in my box. Next is also by Market and Spruce, the Prat Henley 3/4 sleeve top, and it says it's in olive. And so here's what that top looks like. It does have the little Henley buttons going down the middle right there. The flowers are like a light pink, a mauve, a darker hot pink, and then like a, is that an orange or a kind of a brownish orange right there? It does have the elastic at the bottom there of the sleeve. It has a single pocket on the front, and it does have this button kind of in the middle of the back. I think it feels like it's rayon, and rayon is not my favorite material, but I've gotten more used to it. So yeah, it's 100% rayon. Sometimes when I get a top that's 100% rayon in my boxes, I will go back and size up and exchange it. That way it doesn't shrink too much after you wash it. But I like the colors of that. And so next is a cardigan. And I think she chose this cardigan to pair with this top because it kind of has that goldish brown color. It's by Love Ellie, the Pointelle detail cardigan in gold. And it's a really soft cardigan. So here's a look at the color. It's like a goldish brown. It does not have pockets. Here's a look at the back detail. So yeah, I like that. I think it will go really nicely with that olive top. And so everything so far my stylist put in my box for me. This item was the one that I selected for my Fix preview, and it's by Pink Clover, the Rosemary ribbed long sleeve sweater in pink. And so here is that sweater. And so it's got the color blocking. It's got like a cream, a pink, a purple. Very pretty. It's soft. It's got the cuffed sleeve. It does not have any slips on the side. There's the back of it. I just really love pink, so I thought that was really pretty. And then the last item is the pants that she mentioned. They are by Cosmic Blue Love, the Callie Bootcut pant in brown. And so here's what that pant looks like. It's not like a dark brown, but it's kind of like a, almost like a faded brown. Now I like Cosmic Blue Love, but sometimes their pants fit kind of tight on me. So we shall see how these fit. They do have pockets on the front. The pockets on the back are fake. It is a nice boot cut, and she mentioned that it is a longer inseam, so we shall see. So I think the idea was to put these pants, that top, and this cardigan together, so I'll try it on like that. And now that I'm looking at it, really I could put the sweaters with the pants, but we'll see. All right, I'm gonna get ready to do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on top I have by Market and Spruce the Caroline Ombre Raglan Rib Sweater, and on the bottom I have the Cosmic Blue Love Callie Bootcut Pant. So let's start with the sweater. I absolutely love the colors in this sweater. I love the ombre effect. I think the button detail is really cute. The sleeve length is really good for me, which can be a problem sometimes. This is a very warm sweater, so I think it'd be great as it continues to get colder outside. It does have the slips on the side. I went ahead and paired it with the brown pant because the buttons are brown, but I really think you could put this with blue denim jeans and it would be super cute like that as well. So here are the pants. They are a perfect length for me, especially if I'm wearing boots. So Cosmic Blue Love for me, a lot of times I find it's a little bit snug, but it stretches out really well. So these pants have very good stretch. And so they come up right to my belly button. And I love bootcut pants. That's just a preferred style for me because they do come in a longer inseam most of the time. All right, so I'm gonna change sweaters and I'll be right back. All right, guys, third item is this sweater by Pink Clover. It is called the Rosemary Ribbed Long Sleeve Sweater. And they say the color is pink. So this sweater is really pretty color blocking. It has like a cream, a pink, a purple. It does not have any slips on the side. Has good sleeve length for me. It's very soft. And actually, I think it goes well with the brown pants. What do you guys think? So my daughter noticed a pick right here, so I may exchange this. I just have to look at it a little bit more to see if it's real noticeable. So what do you guys think about? Do you see a pick in that white block? I really like the colors. Another one that would pair well with blue denim jeans and be really cute as well. All right, so I'm gonna try on that top with the gold cardigan and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last two items, and I have on the Market and Spruce Prat Henley 3/4 sleeve top. And then the cardigan is by Love Ellie, the Pointelle detail cardigan. And they say it's in gold. here's the cardigan. It is very soft, no pockets. Doesn't have a lot of details throughout it, some kind of openings throughout the sleeves and things like that. It is a longer length cardigan. And I do think my stylist sent this cardigan to go with the kind of goldish color that's in this floral print. When I asked my husband if he thought the outfit went together, he said yes. My youngest daughter said no. So you guys tell me what you think. Do you think that the top and the cardigan go well together? So I like the cardigan, soft. And I don't have a cardigan this color. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. All right, so here's the top. It has a little split right here. It has the 3-button Henley style right here. The buttons are functional. It is a 3/4 length sleeve. I think the floral print is very pretty. I like the olive background color for this time of year. It comes down right here and a little bit longer in the back. Now because it is rayon, if I decide to keep it, I probably will size up in it because I feel like rayon tends to shrink this way on me. So I do think it matches the pants well. And like I said, I do think it goes with the cardigan, but you guys tell me what you think. All right, I'm gonna get changed and I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about the prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And overall, I think this was a great fix. I really like all of the items in this box, but let's talk about them a little bit more. First off is the sweater by Pink Clover, the Rosemary ribbed long sleeve sweater in pink, and the cost of this sweater is $46. I really like this sweater. I love the colors. I think it's really pretty, pink and purple and cream together. But one thing I noticed was that there's a pick right here in the sweater. And then I also noticed that there was a purple blotch in that pink, and I know that's gonna drive me crazy. So I'm thinking if I'm gonna keep this, that I will exchange it because of the pick and that kind of imperfection in the color blocking. So, but really like that sweater, very soft. Next on the list is by Market and Spruce, the Prat Henley 3/4 sleeve top in olive, and the cost of that top is $44. And that was this one right here. And there's a up close look at the print. And so you can see kind of that goldish brownish color that's in the floral print. I do like this top. I think it paired well with the gold cardigan. I think it goes well with the brown pants as well. This top has a lot of fall colors in it, so I think those 3 items paired well together. I do really like the top. Next on the list is by Market and Spruce, the Caroline Ombre Raglan ribbed sweater, and it says it's in coral. And that's this sweater right here. I think the colors are very pretty. I really like the button detail at the shoulder. I paired it with those brown pants because of the brown in the buttons, but I do think it would probably go better with just like blue denim. So really pretty. And if I didn't say, $64. So it's pretty expensive for the sweater, but I do like it. Next on the list is Cosmic Blue Love, the Callie Bootcut Pant in brown. And she put this in my box because it was that 34-inch inseam. Usually I need like a 33 to 34-inch inseam if I'm gonna be wearing like a boot or anything like that. So I do like these. They were a little snug around the waist, but I do know that Cosmic Blue Love has a lot of stretch to it, so I think it'll be okay. The cost of these, $94. That's really pricey for these, but I do like them, and I think the color is great for fall. And you guys tell me what you think. Did you like the 2 sweaters with those brown pants? All right, and the last item on the list is the Love Ellie Anna Pointelle detail cardigan in gold. And this is kind of like a brownish gold. I don't have a cardigan this color. This cardigan is really soft. There's no pockets in it, but it does have some really pretty details on it. And the cost of this cardigan is $46. So my Stylist Fix subtotal is $294, which is a little bit pricier than I like to have my boxes, but I do know during the colder months, the sweaters and things like that cost more. The buy all discount is 25%, so that's going to take off $73.50. That leaves me with an order subtotal of $220.50. So that's not too bad. I don't really like to go much over $240, $250 in these more expensive months for Stitch Fix. But you guys tell me what you think. How did you like the items paired together? What was your favorite item from my box? Do you think I should keep everything? I am going to leave a referral link in the description box below. This referral link is my husband's referral link. He still has a $50 referral link that is still active, and as long as it's still good, I'll put it in the description box below. So by clicking on that referral link, you get $50, which is going to waive your styling fee. That means you're not going to have to pay for anything up front to get your box, and then when you get your box, you'll have $50 to put towards anything that you decide to keep in your box. What I love about Stitch Fix, it's nice and convenient, but also that you only pay for what you keep. And so I have really enjoyed this service. I've been doing it since the end of 2018, and I love it. I get boxes, my husband gets boxes, and my daughter gets boxes. And so we really enjoy the service of Stitch Fix. If you have any questions, let me know, and until next time, bye guys.